In last video, we saw how we can cast a particular streaming video link to our TV. In this one, we will try to see how we can do that with any video in our system. So any local video that you have in your laptop that you can cast to your TV. So how to do that? So for that, I have done some changes in before this video only because it will be too long if I go on creating those in the video. So I'll just show them. So first let's see the changes in index.js. So here I added some more dependencies, formidable, path and OS. Path dot and OS will not require any npm install, but formidable will require. So I have added it in the package.json also, and then there is wait, index.js. Uh, this OS one is actually used to get the IP of your machine because the localhost URL for your video won't work in the TV. So when it is casted, it needs the IP, the local IP of your laptop from where it needs to get the video. So for that I'm using this to get the local IP, and if it doesn't get, it will fall back to this one, but if it happen, it will fail because there is no for a TV this IP means same device, so it won't be able to stream it. So this should work, it should return the address. Next is we are creating an uploads directory, so whenever you are getting a file from the system, this Node.js application won't be having access to that directory, so it is putting those files in a folder named uploads. It is creating one if it doesn't exist, and it is streaming from there. So we go below. This is okay. This is a temporary change. I just want not to run this part we saw in the last video, so I just changed this typo, added a U so that this will not run. If you go below, we are having adding three more endpoints. One is upload for doing that upload. This is just regular code to upload a file from file picker field in HTML to your backend. So you can go through this. Then this next one is to stream that video. So when we have a file uploaded in our uploads directory, we can call this endpoint with a slash stream and the video file name, and it will stream that. So same streaming link we will be sending to our TV. This is a stream one. Next, this is the cast to TV. This is partially implemented, and this one we will complete in this video. So first let me run this. Before that, let me show some changes in HTML also. So in HTML, this is just some CSS changes. And below, I'm checking if the device is Google Cast, then I'm appending one more form. And that's is create upload section. If you go to this function, one second, create upload section, it's calling actually. Yeah, it's calling actually because it is returning this DOM element upload section, and then it is appending it. So this one I have commented. So because this is the exact HTML that this below code is creating. So there will be a div with ID upload section. There will be one file chooser field, then a button and an ordered list. In this ordered list, whatever videos we upload in the backend, it will show up in the UI. So that one by one we can play the cast button. And if you see below, I'm doing the same thing for these upload button. I'm calling this function when it's called. So this upload, we are calling the API, that slash upload one, which we just saw in the Node.js example. There it uploads the file, and after the file is uploaded, it returns the streaming link. That link I'm displaying in an a tag with a href value, the link whatever the backend is returning. And I'm also adding a button by keeping the link part, file name part from the link, and on click of that button we'll cast it to the TV, which is partially implemented right now. So let's see these changes in the UI. So if I go to it, let me refresh. So when you refresh, you'll see something like this. I can choose a file, this one I've chosen one file, and if I upload, it would return this. This is the streaming link and this is the cast button. If I click on the streaming link, you can play this video in your browser. Some error occurred, it's not able to play. These are the uploaded files. Let me try again. Do one more file upload and see whether it works. Okay, this is the file. I choose the file that I'm currently recording. That's why it was not able to upload. So let me upload this one. This is the new one. This one I try to click. What to do? This was my previous video. Whatever I recorded, I'm able to play. This current one, I'm taking the file that I'm recording right now, so it's still being changed. So that's why it didn't work. Now, if you see the cast one, if I go to the network tab, so you can see this is being called cast to TV, and from the response, what I'm getting this link sent to TV and this link, this whole link that we have to send to the TV. So we have to integrate our previous code from the video so that this link will be sent to the TV. So I'll go to my index.js, cast to TV. This is our video link, and if you can see at the top, I had added a typo, Google cast to, so that this part doesn't run, because now this part we want to run dynamically and it will be invoked from the browser. So I'm taking from here, let's do this also. I will do the not calculator. Let me just copy this part. Okay, this much code we need. We go down. And this, before sending this response, I want to do it here, and we'll say this video we have to client content ID we have to replace with whatever video link we are getting. So I will replace it here. I think other things should work as it is. This one has a dependency on data.addresses, and this one might not be here. So what can we do? We can keep this address saved somewhere. So when our Google cast is coming, we need this address. So I save it in a variable, define it here. So it's being set. Now I will use this instead. So instead of disconnect, it will use this one. Here I will wrap it around if this link, if this IP is present. So I'll do it later. Let me run this. So I'm restarting it. I'll reload. More files will be there. You have to choose again. I'll pick some older file. Upload. Got the link. Do a cast. Yes, so now I can show the TV, the video that I casted got shared. That's how it is working. So I uploaded one more file. Let me do a cast here, and we'll see it changing. So now this another file is getting played. Like that we can do as many times. So yeah, it's working. I will commit the code and share the report.